subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Nokia has announced its new smartphone under Nokia 5 series globally called Nokia 5.4, and it is the successor to the earlier launched Nokia 5.3 smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia 5.4 features a 6.39-inch HD Plus display with a tall 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and it has a hole punch at the top left corner that carries an 16-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone supports a quad camera setup in a circular ring at the top center, including an LED flash beside the camera module. The quad rear camera includes a 48-megapixel main camera along with the 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the Nokia 5.4 comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512 GB via microSD card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box, and it houses a 4000 mAh battery that supports 10 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, NFC in some regions, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.97 by 75.99 by 8.7 mm, and it weighs around 180 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia 5.4 has been priced for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at €189. While the pricing details of the other storage models are yet to be announced by the company. The smartphone will be soon available for purchase in dusk and polar night color options. So, what do you guys think of this Nokia 5.4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.